How to use Sound Library in Davinci Resolve. There is a panel named Sound Library which we can use to add all the sound effects, music, and other audio files to it, and it is accessible across all the projects and databases. Click on the Sound Library to open it. Click on the three dots button and select Add Library. Locate the folder which you put your audio in it, and click Select Folder. Here I added 4 audios. To see everything in this panel, in the search box put 3 asterisks. Instead of showing all the audio, we can search for a specific audio name. To use the audio, select the audio and press I and O to select only part of it, and drag it into Timeline. We also can drag the entire audio without creating in and out. Now let's create another database, and use this audio library in that database. Click on the Home button. Click on Add Project Library, set its name and location, and click Create. In this database, create a new project. Now in the Sound Library panel, click on this button, and from the drop-down, select the database that your audios are in. I created my sound library in the local database, so I use it here. Now I can search for the audio and use them. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.